Mother Nature Mixed in Motion, Part 1. Oh, man.
Oh, damn.
Hey, that sounded pretty massive. You are heavy.
No, dying.
No more tortas for you. Wow, this is so slippery. Silly. Let me get out the way. This guy's crazy.
We should do a race from here to make it from here to there quick.
Let's see who falls faster, in other words. Man.
You have to push yourself.
One
over.
giant ice cube.
Got it.
Ready, set, go. Oh! Hey man, what are those Air Force Ones? Man.
Get the tiptoe. Tiptoe.
Tiptoe. It hurts enough already. Ready? Go. Tiptoe, hell no. This is tiring.
Oh no. We better get sick.
So, that's what the water should be.
Ice storm that shit today. Tornado warning.
Today's tornado warning?
Possible.
Damn,
The way the clouds are moving.
there's no clouds. Been lied to.
Shit, I'm trying to get over there.
Need to push? You ain't getting too far. Ugh. What? Where's change coming out of? Ugh.
It's like a good 4 inches, maybe 5.
Whoa. I can't make it hard to.
It's like an avalanche.
Hold on, honey. Hiya.
Yeah. They're strong. You see how you gripped it and it didn't even break?
No, it's not gonna break. It's about 4 inches. Okay, these shoes are not for ice. Okay, boom, de frente.
I know, right?
Oh man. Somebody's mad with nature. Couldn't park your truck over here, so you're mad.
I'm trying to get a piece out,
That's
but
what you get, ice.
it's too big.
Whew. You trying to get a piece out? No. Yeah, right. These shoes are not the best for ice. Wow. It's crazy. Right here is empty. That hurts. Ouch. That hurts. Okay, that's not how you use it, buddy.
Yeah, I'm not gonna work.
You wanna put it in the hole? You're gonna break your stick.
I know, right?
You're gonna be crying for like 2 weeks. I broke my stick, y'all. Ahí vas, travieso. Too much energy.
Alright.
Yep.
That was a weak one.
I'm like, so where are we? Oh yeah, Indianapolis. Indianapolis, Indiana. What do you think the weather is right now? Oh, it's 41 degrees right now.
41?
Yeah.
No shit, this ice should not exist.
Well, it is the afternoon, so the sun would have to hit it. And it never hits it on this side of the building. Oh man, it's
Sí, abierto, bien heavy. All it takes is a high cloud and blow a tornado.
ooh, this is cool. There's a pocket right here, air pocket. Is this what you were poking it? All right.
Looks cool from the camera.
Yeah.
If we pee on
Oh.
it, if we pee on it, we could make it.
Freeze off right now. You'd be like, I need help. I'll be like, ah, you're on your own.
I know, right?
We're friends, but not like that.
Estamos fuerte aquí. Estamos fuerte. Shit's crazy.
Oh, you see where the air's coming in?
Yeah.
Oh, that.
I was looking at the corner how it's up with the edge.
Oh yeah. Do you think the pump is working right now, or?
Yeah. I turned it on.
Oh. No, but do you think it's actually on?
I saw one.
Oh, okay. That's a good pump then.
It always, the fuse always breaks though. I mean, not break, but it always shuts off the breaker.
Oh, okay. Look at how the pockets are appearing.
Right, more bigger, right?
Yeah, they're actually like melting out right now. My phone's getting wet. Let's make it a shorter video. Oh, this looks cool. Finger. So I don't know how these pockets are appearing, but they're just appearing real fast, or whatever you call these little
Like
holes.
maybe I think the raindrop. Could be.
What if we crack this?
That's
No.
what I was trying to go, like the drain. I mean, we really gotta crack it. There you go. Yeah.
Oh man, I gotta stop recording. Battery low.
Oh, we were
You
live.
did crack it, yeah.
We were live.
Yeah. All right. See this.